In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Google Meet can't find your microphone. This is a common problem that disrupts online meetings, but with a few simple checks and adjustments, you can have your microphone working perfectly in no time. Let's dive right in. First, it's essential to ensure that your microphone is properly plugged in. It's an easy step to overlook, but if your microphone is not firmly connected to your device, or if the physical switch is turned off, it simply will not work. Double check the connection, and if your microphone has a switch, make sure it's in the on position. If you're using a headset, there's an added layer to consider. Check to see if the mute button on your headset is pressed. Headsets often have small mute switches that can be accidentally activated. Next, let's look at your device settings. Open the settings on your computer by clicking Start and then navigating to System, followed by Sound. In the sound settings, you'll find an input section. Here, select your preferred microphone as the default input device. Choosing the correct microphone tells your computer exactly where to pick up audio from. While you're at it, adjust the volume slider under the input settings to a suitable level. This makes sure that even if the microphone is connected and selected, you're also projecting your voice clearly when speaking. Now let's check your browser permissions. Sometimes the browser might block access to your microphone for privacy reasons. Open your browser settings and navigate to Privacy and Security. From there, go to Site Settings and then to Microphone. Ensure that the toggle is turned on to allow Google Meet access to your microphone. This step is crucial because if the browser itself is denying access, Google Meet cannot detect or use the microphone. Moving on, let's check the settings within Google Meet. Join a Google Meet call and click the gear icon to access settings. In the settings menu, go to the audio tab. Here, make sure the correct microphone is selected. This confirms that both your device and Google Meet are recognizing your desired microphone. If after all these steps your microphone still isn't working, try refreshing the Google Meet page in your browser. Sometimes a simple refresh is all it takes to resolve the issue. If refreshing doesn't work, try closing and reopening your browser entirely. These steps should help you get your microphone up and running on Google Meet. By systematically checking both device and browser settings, you can quickly fix the issue and continue your meetings without any disruption. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these tips helped.